Hello, it's just me, know everything, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to make the menus for a Five Nights at Freddy's game in Scratch. So, I'm going to show you a basic one that all games have. So, make our intro. Your intro can say anything, made by whatever your user is, but I personally am going to put I like Skibidi Toilet. Okay? You can have anything you want here, not just I like Skibidi Toilet. And make sure this is black because a white backdrop isn't scary. Now we need to make our warning, name this intro. You don't need to, I just prefer to so I know what's what. And then warning. So let's make our warning. So need warning. Also we're gonna know it's a scary game. It contains, and then if you're gonna have a jump scares on and off feature, do not add this, otherwise you're wasting time. That's it. Jump scares. Flashing lights. Loud. Sudden noises. And animated jumps. Right. Then if you want a reader to read this, just put space to continue. Love, I received a notification. Siblings. I'm not gonna rant in this video. Don't worry. So now we have this. Need to move what I clicked. So first to the intro. Set size to 150. Set boost effect to 100. My sibling is blowing up my phone right now and it's very annoying. You could do wait a second before showing, but I prefer not to. So I need to change. By -2. Change boost effect by -10. Now wait about 2 seconds, you could put them random if you would like to. Change size by -2, change boost effect by 10. Now we're hidden. Warning. And we're gonna basically just do the same thing. We're gonna no. So you also want to set the size back to 150. Set the boost effect. It's already 100. So, yep, and you want to wait until key space pressed, or whatever key you have put. Move to broadcast. Then you want to hide and you can have a sound or something. I am going to put Bart as a little trademark. You don't need to. So you should get something like this. That shouldn't have happened. So sorry, my sibling keeps blowing up my phone, seeing him once I can't. Okay, so. Let's show. Let's go to the family service. I've done a set size, not a change size. Guys, I'm sorry. My bad, guys. So now, this tutorial is going to split into basic tutorial, basic Fnaf game, cool one. So first now, we need our logo. So this is a basic one that like all Fnaf games have. I'm going to show you a pretty unique one that I don't see most games doing. So get your logo, center it, and we give it to where we want it. Right? You can flat click to hide, and there's the main menu. So hide this, show this, and make sure it goes to here. And now we want to get our menu character. We're going to center this and flip them. Right. So you would design your character, but I've stolen this. I didn't actually make this Sonic. So I want you to actually make a model. So idle, Twitch, left. If I go on one notification, I'm gonna go crazy. Oh, there goes my day. What now? No, I'm just gonna make this result well. This I'm gonna put on the red eyes. Make the eyes very small, I guess. And Twitch. Right. There we go. Now we can code Sonic. So I'm going to click hide. And then you show. Before you show, we want to switch question to idle. We want to forever. Switch question to idle. Wait. You can do anything you want under 3 to 5 seconds. Then repeat. You can do random. I'm going to do about 3 to 7 times. Then switch costume. If you've got more than 2 costumes, you do 2 to whatever you have, but I only have 3. And then you should get something like this. Yeah, there we go. So now, how do we start the game? That's simple and easy. We need a new game button, so get a white block and center it. There's going to be cuts in this video, and that's because I'm not paying for premium on Bandicoot. Alright, so new game. Do that here. You wanna make the box a bit smaller. You have to turn this thing on. Alright, then center it. And we're going to move it to where we want to. And make the background black and make the text white. There we go. And we're going to select not selected. And then create a new costume. Select. We're going to add that. Make your make sure centered. Just be careful, cause you might need to change the costume a little bit, just in case it goes like forward a little bit. Forward a bit, so that seems fine. Then if I clicked hide whenever I see main menu back. So if I clicked hide whenever I see main menu, show switch costume to not selected forever, if then else, touching mouse pointer, so it's touching the mouse, switch costume to selected, now switch costume to non-selected. Run the script. No. See if we continue, duplicate the sprite and name it continue. Move it to where you want it. Then change the text to say continue. Make sure you center if you edit the costume. And come into here and continue your 2 arrows and fix this. I'm just gonna bring this in. So still goes up. Let's make sure the costume looks alright. Take up, so bring it down. That's fine. And then easy. Then we're going to add static. I've got a folder for static. And I'll import. And we're going to use it. Make sure it's fills the screen. I think I had it at like 250, 255, 260. Yeah, that's 260. Then green fog clicked. Drag out these two blocks. Green fog click. Hide. When I receive the menu. Show set ghost effects. This is self-visibility. So you can put this as you want. I'm going to have it at 65. Show. Then we want A forever, so like it does it forever. Next costume, and go to the and how do we add our music? That's simple. On our main menu, we're going to import some music. I've got some music saved. If you want custom music, go to YouTube, YT to MP3, use a trusted site, copy link URL, remember. paste it, download it. It's just silence, so. And then when I see the menu, forever, play your menu music, and there's your basic menu.
For music in buttons, I forgot to pause the game.
That's what has happened.
Copy the code into continuous well as the sound. Adjusting buttons you don't have to. That's a basic menu.
So now, I'm going to add. So this is an advanced one, so we're going to have like a room. So make a room. Make a very basic one. I have it scrolling, so keep that in mind. You can skip this bit. You don't need to want this bit if you don't want to. Make a big one in the middle. That layer. So as you can see right now, it doesn't really look all 3D, but like, yeah, you'll see. Okay, so now we need to add a desk. Like monitors is what we're going to play, or you can have whatever. I'm just going to have monitors. Use the color to be a bit darker, just so it has like an effect, like it's behind it, backward, like that, and then we want to make our actual table. Make it a bit bigger, and then we want to bring it down. Copy your background because we're going to group the table, make it bigger because I've not made it big enough. Paste the background back. Table bigger. Just gonna set to 0. So now we're going to add a couple of monitors. So here's the green to the ring to the pink. Get out! A little bit bigger monitor. Make it grey. Make sure it's darker in the background. Copy your background again. Group the monitor. Paste backlight. And we're going to do that again. I'm going to make the monitor smaller, then we're going to add another one. I'm gonna have 4 here. New game, continue, custom night, and 6 night. Let's come up here. Here's going to be an extras tab, and above it, jump scares on, off. Yeah. That's your office. I'll change its size to about 75. But you'll see what I'm going to do. Alright, when green flag collects hide, now receive main menu. Hide. Sure. There's going to be cuts in this video because I'm not paying for any cut for it. We want to forever. Go to mouse X divided by higher the number stricter it is. As you can see, this is 2 R. Go to 5. Still to 5. You can see a bit of black of it. I'm going to just fix this. There we go. I'm going to create a new sprite called logo. To get our logo. Five aces, Sonics. That's my game at least. And then we're going to just bring the scripts from menu into our logo. Then we should have something like this. I'm going to bring it down a little bit. That looks alright. There's a gap up there. Yep, there's a gap up there. I'm just gonna patch that up. There is the first cut. I ran out of time for my 10-minute. Alright. With that, we want to create we want to create our new game button. We're going to white background for now. And a black test pixel, or everything you want to say is new game. It's a bit bigger. Make sure it's not too big. Name the question not selected. And name this selected. You don't need to name all your sprites. I just prefer to name stuff usually, unless it's a one sprite thing, one costume thing. I do not like to name it. And I'm just going to make this a little bit lighter because it's going to be pretty hard to implement a like 2-bar thing like Financial Freddy's does. And we're going to want to hide. We're going to import our script from main menu. Now we're going to edit this bit and have to change its size. Now if you want to move, guess what? Edit the costume. Copy and paste, and we just want to move this to We'll add another script in main menu in here. Forever. You know, then else. Hot chain mouse pointer. Switch costume to selected. L switch costume to not selected. That goes down a bit. Bring it up a bit. There you go. Basically for continue, you wanna add a new sprite that says continue button and turn the script on, and need to change the text to say continue. Continue. Alright, and we want to edit the costume so it's not behind. So it's not behind new game. Copy, paste, and just move this here. There we go, and that's your buttons. And then we want to add a darkness overlay. That just makes it look a bit scary. So come in here. One pitch black, one nothing, and we center it, and then we copy and paste. You don't need to do this, I just do that. And then we need a like sizer costume to have it the right size, so just delete it and add a dot and center it. We need to insert a couple of scripts, so I'm going to click hide whenever I see my menu show. We need to change it to script a bit. So we need to switch quickly to sizer, set size to about 175. You might need to adjust your size, then it's overlay. I'm gonna change how it works. So star divided by too much. So this a little bigger. Make sure it's a positive, I believe, otherwise it's not going to follow your mouse. Yep, and then do the same for mouse Y. Just find one that works for you. .1 seems quite well for me. 1.1 works quite well with me. And then for your menu music, to import your music, if you're getting a YD to MP3, we're going to just put on, you then you YT MP3, import, copy and paste it, and then yeah, okay. Main menu, forever place that, and then you should get something like this.
Time I'll teach newspaper, night screen loading screen, and the office. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2. Peace.